Hey guys, welcome back to Math at School. Today I'm going to help solve this operation with complex numbers in it. So there are multiplications and there is a division involved. If you know how to solve this question, then you can go ahead, pause this video, solve it yourselves, and post your answers in the comment section down below. I'm going to reveal the correct answer in just minutes so you can check whether you got this question right or not. If you got this question right, that's great, but if you didn't, don't worry because I'm going to start solving this problem step by step starting from now. Now, in order to solve this question, you need to know the following information. Now, this imaginary number called I is equal to square root of -1. And that is why if we square both sides of this equation, we end up with I squared is equal to -1. And imaginary numbers or complex numbers are oftentimes expressed in terms of A plus BI format, where A is just a regular number, but the BI part is the complex part. So I'm going to have this page posted along with the original question right here so that we can refer to this little cheat sheet when doing operations with complex numbers like this. So let's get started. The first thing that I would recommend you to do is to change each of these numbers into two parts. And I would change first square root of -20 into square root of 20 times square root of 1, because according to the rules, square root of A times square root of B is equal to square root of A times B. So consequently, square root of A times B is equal to square root of A times square root of B. And that's what I'm doing. I am dividing -20 into 20 times -1, and I am rewriting square root of -20 into this expression. And you're going to find out why I did this in just minutes. And I'm going to do the same for all those three numbers. So I'm going to multiply that to square root of 50, which can be rewritten as square root of 50 times square root of -1. And I'm going to continue doing that to bottom numbers as well. And I'm going to end up with square root of 10 times, actually let's use just dot here, square root of -1 times square root of 1 times square root of -1. And then the next step is I am going to turn all of these square root of -1 into i's, because square root of -1 is equal to I according to my cheat sheet right here. Okay, so let's rewrite using i's. I have square root of 20i times square root of 50i over square root of 10i times just I. Okay, then I am going to compute these multiplications to come up with square root of 1000 I squared over square root of 10 I squared. Now, since I have I squared in both top and bottom of my fraction, I can conveniently cross that out and end up with square root of 1000 over square root of 10, which I can rewrite as square root of 1000 over 10. And since I can divide both top and bottom of my fraction with 10, I can get rid of that 0 from both top and bottom, which will give me square root of 100 over 1, which is equal to square root of 100. Let's rewrite it like that. And square root of 100 is equal to 10. So my final answer for this question will be 10. So the answer for this question is 10. If you got this question, that's great, but even if you didn't, you have seen how to solve this question step by step. So once you learn how to solve this question, you'll be okay with similar questions like this. So if this video helped, please go ahead and like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll come back with more videos. Bye!